Hello there everyone, welcome back to another video. Welcome, and you are listening and watching to Math with Teacher Riva. Yes, this is Math with Teacher Riva, and for today's video, you are going to learn another different concepts, particularly English math concepts. So, are you ready to start learning? Well, if you are ready, then we shall begin. To begin this video, let us start with recapping or reviewing the things that we have learned last time. I will introduce it to you again and ask you some questions related to it. Would that be okay? Alright, very good. Let's start with reviewing on what are the different types of angles. If you can remember, angles is formed when two lines meet or intersect each other. It has vertex and it has arms. And of course, like us, you can also name different types of angles. Now, who can remember or can you remember what are those types of angles that we've mentioned last time? Does anyone have an idea? Okay, so let's begin with the first type of angle. If you can see an angle that measures 90 degrees, an angle that measures exactly 90 degrees is what type of angle? Okay, so we call it right angle. Again, an angle that measures exactly 90 degrees is what you call right angle. Okay, how about if the angle is less than 90 degrees or smaller than a right angle? What do you call it? We call it acute angle. Again, let's say acute angle. Again, an acute angle is an angle that measures less than 90 degrees, which means it's between 45 degrees to 89 degrees, perhaps. Alright? Okay. How about this next angle? An angle that measures greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Again, what type of angle measures less than 90, greater than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees? It's like almost a straight line, but not a straight line. What angle do you call it? Okay, very good. It is an obtuse angle. Again, an angle that measures greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees is called an obtuse angle. Okay, so there are three types of common angles. First, we have right angle, acute angle, and an obtuse angle. Right angle measures 90 degrees. Acute angle measures less than 90 degrees and an obtuse angle measures greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. As I have said, there are a lot of real-life objects that is showing these three types of angles. Example, we have a slice of watermelon, zipper, hands of a clock, pair of scissors, crocodile's mouth, and a seagull's beak. Now, tell me what type of angle are these following objects show. This slice of pizza, is it a right angle, acute angle, or obtuse angle? Look at how the opening or the size of this pizza is. Is it showing a right angle, acute angle, or an obtuse angle? Very good. It is an acute angle. How about this Thailand flag? What angle can this Thailand flag show or form? Is it a right angle, acute angle, or an obtuse angle? Which of the three? Alright, very good. It shows or it forms right angle. It's a right angle. Very good. How about this one? A hand of a clock. Is it a right angle, acute angle, or an obtuse angle? Okay, you are right. It is or it forms an obtuse angle. Good job. How about this fan? What angle is this fan forming? Alright, you did a great job. It's an obtuse angle. As you can see, it is approximately measured as to an angle greater than 90 degrees but not less than 180 degrees. How about the tongs and the window? The tongue forms what type of angle? Good job. It forms an acute angle. Very good. How about the windows? It forms what type of angle? Alright, good job. It forms a right angle. So, these are just few of some examples of real-life objects that has or forms different types of angles. I think most of the objects around us forms different types of angles. We just don't we just don't look at it as an angle itself, but as an object as a whole already. So again, those are the different types of angles. Now let's have the word bank. I will say the words first and you repeat after me. First, we have parallel lines. Parallel lines. The parallel lines are those lines that do not meet each other. Alright? Next, intersect. Intersect. Okay, very good. Intersect is the action where two lines meet each other. Next one. Arms. Arms. Vertex. Vertex. Arms are those lines connecting to each other, and vertex is the intersection point. Next one, we have angle. Angle. Right angle. Right angle. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Acute angle. Acute angle. There you have it. You have learned the following words in the previous topic. Now, it's time to learn new set of vocabulary words. For today's video, we included the topic on equiangular quadrilaterals, squares, and rectangles. Again, we are going to simply talk equiangular quadrilaterals, squares, and rectangles. Perhaps some of you are quite familiar with this one, but I would just like to introduce it to you again and try to see if you can recognize them. Alright? Very good. Now I will be showing you pictures of these equiangular quadrilaterals, squares, and the rectangle. So, just look at the screen. First picture. Second. Third. Fourth. These four figures are called equiangular quadrilaterals because they have four angles. Like this one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All of these figures have four angles. That is why it's called equiangular quadrilaterals. So again, maybe some of the things you have in your house today have all these quadrilaterals, equiangular quadrilaterals. Now let's try to see if you can differentiate what is an equiangular quadrilateral from others. You tell me if it is it an equiangular quadrilateral or not. You just say check for it is, X for it is not. Okay? You tell me whether it is an equiangular quadrilateral or not by saying check or X. First figure, we have a clock. Is the clock an equiangular quadrilateral? Yes or no? Check or X. Alright, what's your answer? It is not. Very good. A clock is not an equiangular quadrilateral. Very good. Why? Because the shape itself is a circle. Good job. How about the next one? What is this? What picture is this? It's a Okay, good job. It's a cone of ice cream. Is a cone of ice cream an equiangular quadrilateral? Yes or no? Check or X? Okay, very good. It is not an equiangular quadrilateral. Why is it not an equiangular quadrilateral? Why? Because it is shaped like a cone. Very good. And the cone does not form four angles. Am I right? Yes. Okay, now circle is not an equiangular quadrilateral, so as the cone. How about the next picture? What picture is this? It's a picture of a bed. Very good. Now my question is a bed an equiangular quadrilateral? Yes or no? Again, is a bed an equiangular quadrilateral? Yes or no? We have, is it not? No, it is an equiangular quadrilateral. A bed is an equiangular quadrilateral. Look at the shape. It's shaped like a rectangle and a square. And if you mention square and rectangle, then it would have four, or not more than four, but have equal angles. That's why we call it equiangular quadrilateral. Can you follow? But if it's shaped like a circle and a cone, it's not an equiangular quadrilateral. Okay? Very good. Now, let's have the laptop. This is a laptop, right? Is a laptop an equiangular quadrilateral? Yes or no? Again, is a laptop an equiangular quadrilateral? Yes or no? Yes, it is an equiangular quadrilateral. Very good. Why do you think so? It is an equiangular quadrilateral. Is it shaped like a circle? No. Is it shaped like a cone? No. Is it shaped like a rectangle? Yes, very good. And if it's shaped like a rectangle or a square, it means it has angles, right? 4 angles. Correct? Okay, very good. That is why a laptop is an example of an equiangular quadrilateral. Okay. Next, how about this stop sign? How about this stop sign? Is this stop sign an equiangular quadrilateral? Again, is this stop sign an equiangular quadrilateral? Yes or no? Okay, very good. It is... Okay, wait. Does this stop sign form angles? Yes, but does it form 4 angles? No, it does not. So what do you mean when it does not form 4 angles? Is it an equiangular quadrilateral? Yes or no? Check your X. X. Very good. This stop sign is not an equiangular quadrilateral. Very good. It's not. Okay? It's not an equiangular quadrilateral. So again, take note. If you say equiangular quadrilateral, it must be that it has 4 angles on it. Not 2, not 3, but 4 angles. Understood? Okay, very good. Now, let's move on to squares and rectangles. Squares and rectangles. What is the difference between square and a rectangle? Are they the same or not? That's what we're going to find out later on. I'm sure this is very easy for you. Let's review so that you will be more knowledgeable about it. Okay. First figure says all sides are equal. The first figure shows and says that all sides are equal. So if we say this side is 25 centimeters, all of the sides are automatically 25 centimeters because it says all sides are equal, right? Now, if sides have equal measurement, what does it call? What do you call it? Is it a square or a rectangle? Okay, we call it a square. It's spelled as S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. A square has sides that are all equal. The same measurement, all of the sides. It is a square. Okay, how about the second picture? Does this one have equal sides? Yes or no? No, it does not have equal sides. What have you observed with this figure? It has 2 short sides, which is this one and this one, and it has 2 long sides. 1, 2. In short, a rectangle has 2 short sides and 2 long sides, whereas a square have equal sides. Let's spell rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. What is figure 1 again? Square. What is figure 2 again? Rectangle. Now let's differentiate the square from a rectangle. Now I will be showing you a set of pictures again, and you tell me whether it is a square or rectangle. Are you ready? Okay, yes you are. These pictures are just very easy just to say if you can distinguish between a square and a rectangle. Alright, let's have the first picture. What is this? It is a... Okay, it is a television. Very good. Is a television shaped like a square or a rectangle? Is it a square or a rectangle? Very well done. It's a square. As you can see, the sides of this television are the same and equal. Good job. How about this one? How about this notebook? Is this notebook shaped like a square or a rectangle? Is this notebook shaped like a square or a rectangle? Very good. It is shaped like a square. Look at all the sides. The sides are all equal. Very good. The television and the notebook is shaped like a square. Good job. How about the next one? Is it a square or a rectangle? Is this ruler a square or a rectangle? Very good. It is a rectangle. Why is it a rectangle? Because it has two short sides and two long sides. Very good. How about this picture? Is the door square or rectangle? Is the door square or rectangle? Look at the sides. Are they equal? No, they are not. It has two short sides and two long sides. Therefore, it is a rectangle. Very good. The door is a rectangle. The ruler is a rectangle. And the door is a rectangle. Very good. Let's have the last one. Is the flag a square or a rectangle? Does this flag have equal sides? No, they don't have. So that means it is a rectangle. Very good. The flag is a rectangle. Good job, everybody. How about the last one? These dices. Are these dices shaped like a square or a rectangle? Do they have equal sides? Yes, they have. So what do you call them they have? Very good. It is a square. Great job. So, again, this flag is shaped like a rectangle, while these dices are shaped like a square. Very good. You did a great job for this day. I hope you have all learned something from today's video. I hope to see you next time here in Math with Teacher Riva. Goodbye everyone and see you next time. Keep safe always. Goodbye.